Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is Chantal and today we're going to be creating this gorgeous spring look that's kind of nude on top but has this beautiful pop of color on the bottom. It's like an ultraviolet purple, so you know that's super in this year, being Pantone's color of 2018. I'm using a lot of my new products and I actually use quite a few palettes to create this look. So make sure you guys pay attention because we got a lot going on with this look. Alright guys, well let's get started. So far I've already primed my face and I used the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I also use the under eye concealer by Smashbox. It's called the Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. And this stuff works amazing. I really like this. I've never used an under eye primer. If you are looking for an under eye primer, this is definitely a really good one by Smashbox. And then for my foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. And I actually mixed this, so I got a sample in my Sephora haul, which if you haven't seen that video, you should go take a look at it. I unboxed a couple really fun products and tested them all out. And this is one of my samples. It's the Immaculate Liquid Powder Foundation by Hourglass. And it's a mattifying, oil-free foundation. Has anyone else been like dying from this time change? Like, springing forward, like I didn't think it would affect me that much, but I have been so freaking tired this week. This has been my lifesaver. Alrighty, so for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use the 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer by Smashbox. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit into my tear duct as well. Alright, so now I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to take this color Tease right here, which is like a grayish purple color, and that's going to be my transition color. I'm going to blend that just right above my crease. Alright, now that we have the transition color, we're going to go in and do the lid. This light gold shimmery color called Half Baked in my Naked 2 palette. Oh my gosh! I'm going to start in the corner of my eye and bring that towards the outer lid. Now we're going to take the color Queen Bee in my Kylie Royal Peach palette. We're going to take that on the outer lid. I'm going to mix these two colors here, Coconut and On the Rocks, out of my Take Me on Vacation palette. And I'm going to blend that right into my crease, right below where I blended that transition color. My palette just fell apart. It's kind of hard for me to show you, but I'm going to take this purple color Busted here. I'm going to darken up my crease. I'm going to use my smudge brush. Then I'm going to take this color Realness, which is this coppery shimmery color here in my Violet Voss palette. This is the Violet Voss Pro Like a Boss. I'm going to take my blending shadow brush. I'm just going to blend that into the outer corner. I take my blending shadow brush again and I'm going to take this color Bootycall here, which is a white with some gold sparkles in it. I'm going to blend that into the corner of my eye and then on my eyebrow. Not on my eyebrow. below my eyebrow. I'm gonna blend this color into my inner eye. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna sharpen this up with some concealer and do my under eyes as well. And to sharpen up my eyeshadow, I use the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Fair. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Shell. I always do that, the shell shade, which makes sense, but in the shade Shell. So I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to set that with my light contour in my Naked Skin Shapeshifter Contour Kit. And this is the shade Light Medium Shift. Eye primer from Smashbox literally works wonders. I always have an issue with my concealer creasing and like looking like shit throughout the day. Alright, now we're going to go down on the lower lash line and I am so excited. We're going to take this color Party Girl right here and blend that down onto the lower lash line. I'm going to take my Sonia Kujak smudge brush and I'm going to smudge in the color Bootycall in my Naked 2 palette, which is the color that we put on my eyebrow and my lid. And to make this ultraviolet color pop a little bit more, I'm going to take that Sonia Kujak smudge brush, which is just a little bit skinnier than the other one I was using. And I'm going to put that right on my inner lid, or my inner waterline. I'm going to take my blending shadow brush and the highlight called Beam. I'm going to blend that down into my lower lash line and inner eye. I'm going to blend this into the eyebrow as well. This is so fun. I love this look because it is so different, but it's beautiful and it's springy and it pops of color. So if you love some color, this is like such a fun look. Now for the liner. We are going to take the, I don't even know like how to pronounce this, the Tardiest? I don't know. But we're gonna take the liquid liner side of this, and I reviewed this in my Sephora haul video. We are going to wing it. We are going for a dramatic wing with this look. If you like a more subtle wing, definitely do a subtle wing. Too much drama on this side. Look at that shade. Oh my god, I'll be right back. Fix that guy a little bit. Alright, and I got some lashes, you guys. So for my lashes, I'm going to use the Velour Barely There. I'm using an eyelash glue that I bought separately. And I use my tweezers to get my eyelashes secured. Alrighty, and for my mascara, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs. And this is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in the shade Noir. Noir. It's fun to say. And for the top lashes, I'm just going to use the brush to push my lashes up into the fake eyelashes and just kind of give the inner lash more of a pop. Alrighty, now I just need to go in and contour and highlight, and I'm going to do this super speedy quick. I'm going to be using the Cocoa Face Collection. I'm going to be using the bronzer in Rodeo Drive and the blush in Hollywood Boulevard. And then I think I'm going to use the 90210, or actually I guess it's, yeah, the 90210. And I might mix one of my more pink highlighters in with that. So let's get her done. Now I'm just going to use my light contour so that I create a nice defined line for my contour. And for my lip, I'm going to use the gloss stick, and it's the Sexy Mother Pucker Volume Lip Shine. And this is in the shade Pinkaboo. Alright, and then just to finish this look, I'm going to use the Smashbox Primer Water. I'm going to set that makeup in place. I swear, more spray gets everywhere than on my face. Alright, so here's the finished look, you guys. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this gorgeous spring look that I created today using quite a few of my palettes. I will make sure to include all the palettes and what colors I used and where I put them in the description below so that you can recreate this look yourself. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, go check out my Watermelon Punch Girly Spring Makeup Tutorial. It's another really fun purple but with some pinks and watermelon colors. So if you like this look, you're definitely going to love that one. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to subscribe down at the bottom and click that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope that you guys had an amazing week, and I hope that you guys are ready for spring, because I sure am, and with this look, you definitely can be. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.